Hello everyone, Mike Sherry back with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm doing a review on a 2018 Nissan. The reason I do these videos is to show you the good, the bad, the ugly of pre-owned cars. So when you're out there shopping, you can get a little bit more information and spend less time here at the dealership. Makes your experience better. I'm gonna flip this camera around and we'll get started on this Nissan. This is a Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive. Has just under 18,000 miles on it. Almost close to new car, really clean. I really didn't see any defects on it. I went all around it, just drove it. It does have original tires, but with low miles, they've got a lot of life left in them. Engine compartment looks really clean. It has the 2-liter inline 4 engine. Really a sleek looking car. 4-door, gets up to 30 miles an gallon on the highway. It is the Rogue Sport SV all-wheel drive. Does have the rear wiper, rear defrost in the window back here. Is the hatchback, which I always appreciate, and I like how that hatchback cover comes up. I'm not sure if you can see that there, but it kind of hides your goods so people can't peek in the window and see what's going on there. 60/40 split folding rear seats. Those 2 back seats will fold down. Allows you more cargo space when you get those bigger items. Alloy wheels on them, no hubcaps. Looks like 4-wheel disc brakes. There still is a remainder of the Nissan factory warranty left on this vehicle, so you can drive rest assured. Has a nice comfortable back seating area here, a couple beverage holders that pop down, seat belts for 3 back here. And let's jump in the driver compartment and show you some of the features this has. As we come in, it's keyless entry. Does have power windows and power locks, as well as remote controlled side view mirrors. Power seat and power lumbar. I really appreciate that. My back hurts me from time to time, and it's nice having that power seat. As I get in, there's a lot of foot room here. I'm 6 foot. I've got plenty of room. The seat's not all the way back, and I got a little radio. Sounds really good. Sorry about that. Controls here on the steering wheel to control the radio, also cruise control and hands-free phone connectivity all in this car, so you can talk hands-free. I tell you what, I love that. My car has that, and I drive and I talk more in my car just because it's so easy to do. Has all-wheel drive where you can lock it in. No warning lights on the dash. In fact, I like this. This is the first vehicle I've done. It actually says no warnings. So you got your RPM gauge and your speedometer and fuel gauge over there. 17,499 miles as of the shooting of this video. Does have CD player, which is hard to find in newer cars. So you can play your Mariah Carey Christmas album on that. Of course, it's got AM, FM. It's XM ready. There's no subscription on that. But you can subscribe and get that. Heating and air conditioning controls. It does have the backup camera, center shifter, so when I shift it into reverse, backup monitor shows up right there, nice and easy. I noticed when I was backing this car up, really good turning radius in this. It does have a charger port, USB charger port, and an aux port, as well as a cigarette lighter port. It's too early in the morning. All right, 2 beverage holders, spot there for my phone and key. And then down here, it's got the first aid kit, so Nissan provides that, it looks like, which is interesting. And then I looked over here, it does have the original owner's manual, which is always nice. So overall, a no disappointment car. If you're out shopping for a Nissan Rogue or any pre-owned car, give us a call. We have a great selection. With market value pricing, we are the best price within a few hundred miles here of Piqua, Ohio. So make sure to check us out. All our cars are reviewed and gone through service. And if you have any questions, I'm going to post some links below how to get in contact with us. We do have finance options, super low rates, so if you want some payments, we can hook you up there. Also, we'd love to have your trade in. You can actually get a value on your trade right on our website. I'll post a link below of how to do that without ever even having to come in the store. So a lot of stuff you can do at home to save you time, to save you social distancing, all that. So we would love to see you, love to see an email, love to see you in the store. Just give us a mode of contact. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.